Okay, this one's going to be quite small, very small. Right, going to go here, full colour. So just going to set the tray up as usual. Likes us to select a tray, doesn't like us to leave it unselected. This one's going up 400. Let's see what we can do. This one. Okay, original size. Just going to hit one in. We're just going to hit in A4. Okay, what else have we got? This silly piece of shit Konica Minolta junk. Fucking dickheads. Let's see how this goes. Alright. What the fuck? Sometimes I move it too fast and sometimes I don't move it at all. What is this Konica Minolta shit? Honestly, Konica Minolta can just fuck themselves for loving money. And I've said this so many times. I'm just so overwhelmed by how stupid this copier has been designed. You've got to check out how many button push actions you have to make just a photocopy. Forget about all this programming. I'm talking about just hitting the start button and getting a copy out. I'm not talking about this shit. Once you've done all this shit, it usually takes just one button push for the copy to output. But this machine is different, and I didn't know this until I got it and started using it. And fortunately for me, I'm very adaptable with photocopying equipment. I'm very nimble at it. Yes, it's a bit difficult at first, trying a different system, but I do better than most people, most normal people. Normal people have a lot of issues with photocopiers. Most of them indeed go to work and have to use the silly pieces of shit that companies like Konica Minolta have created. And really, really shitty, like this is totally design. The fact that the hardware only has spare parts guaranteed for 5 years. Come on, that's not funny. That's not fucking funny. This is what we're doing. It's not fucking funny. It's not good for the planet having to make more electronics. It's just so stupid. And it costs, I didn't want to have to update, or not update. Updating is when your software gets improved, like you get an update on your phone. But photocopiers, but they not upgrade, it's not update, it's called replacement. Replacing this whole fucking machine after 5 years, especially when it breaks down, But enough of that. Basically, this looks good, but you'll hear more about my fucking anger towards Konica Minolta and other demos. Believe you me, you'll hear it. Gotta go.